one na nanom no empanifo na ye bi ene yes yet was war enti yensom yie kedokrakum nsom yie football persons and football people mo krum ha nsom yie sports presenters sports and media personalities amokasa radio so yensom yie masa sana tie kodi ya munnim ne akontia obusiansa mu ko so wunya ta na ubu kompo ko wachi ya yempanifo ne ye no those days Reverend was Kofi Reverend training catch those days who change him no those days who the black president those days are not just masa adia sakra ba se me ko Ghana Premier League masa me ko ebo na small cross me ko and found say Manchester boke and found say Liverpool boke and found say Chelsea boke here ton ye players but then some year all right, thank you so much. I know if you are that, the best idea. Oh, said no Facebook and myself black. BNC fee. No problem, yeah. The BNC, but then black now the machine is enough. You didn't come out. And 20 now. You have a person, someone you feel someone brown. Now, from Saudi Arabia, or not in coffee, Kumasi 101.9. Social media. Yes, it's social media. And the presenters in the Sports College Association, supporters and fans of your local league, you know. Yes, I've grown. But I don't lie. The internet doesn't lie. It doesn't lie. Supporters and the fans of local league clubs, you know, especially Asanchi Kotoko and her supporters. And then the media, I'm so interested. So all of a sudden, presenters actually when you say, me Kotoko ni, me heart ni, me social media ni aburi home. I just say be a choyo krum kasebi na ubintias. Profia ni achro. And people think that a joke. A joke. That's a joke. I said ye di agrono. Na mabi si domo ho agim. Na boys ne ni aje. Na ye dim panifu atam. Na ye di players atam. Na ye di referees atam. Na ye di honorable aye kofu atam okrum ha. Masa social media, the internet doesn't lie. Johnny Ashanis. All right, thank you. So I think KWAKU 101.9. Look at your boba. But my friend, come Musiti. And if you I have a lot. None will send because I was swag. I was nice and I say, and you know the president. Yes, of course. The legend. Yes. Abinaya Bua, Wakasai, Vabroni Bessie, he spoke, and he speaks. But he spoke and a lot of things in the final Maya. And I quite remember the just ended World Cup. I a boy, I walk Qatar. Was it Ghana versus Uruguay? Number 1-2 moon. The president. The legendary Abinaya Bua. Now Chinese rule. You are China Ghana Talia. Now shoot. What is happening? My motherland Ghana. No, yeah, I think a week ago. Sports Writers Association of Ghana. President CASSIDY. And then some more kind of. I'm in the Nana G. Maybe pense mu nama papa mu na so said yet and over 20 so no so na for so the comments said about my refi so be share and my unia so enya akonya so atimi aso bi. Thank you so much. But na league ni chance here week 16 yes it was week 16 not it was now on Sunday when also it was Monday night football at 6 p.m. Kumasi Asante Kotoko in action now from said yet and to now all right
pasa yedi nyumbamba muti wo yede sana pasa Sobiet misembi Sobiet misembi
Alright, so crew wants to try a boy funny that dear fancy Prugusu to the end of why, yeah, mountain. And we are going to paint what is happening. Yen for being kahon, enough is yen bison fem frimo. Enough. And then no foreign issues, but I mean, Kamo say Ronaldo Yan first go. A yes, Saudi Arabia, and a penalty. Would the can't go? But it was disallowed. Now I hope power internet so can Ronaldo and your go now omulusu ya ja and Kenya some kutwa and I just Chelsea we came our most bit me abo inti nyame ya atoma I think it's 8 p.m. and a game no a bit me akoso na ye hu sade etie me penny bi kan sem bi kire me na ma memfa so tools wanim na efa kwa adwendwemu amase fiti asese ye share ya adwen na ya kasa wo fi ha onko you offended wase adwenkyere atese empaboa a ye shei atese empaboa obia ne sizes inti ye wo 32 ye wo 40 ne kura ne yo mu mienu yo mu close yo mu open kese mpabo bia e 2 yo no open and yo no closed what you say ti sana tie nti so what say ye kasa it doesn't mean that if you the bia ye betrani AGYENKWA from ye kasa ye be se kire ye nuanom presenters bi mu ye be se kire Ghana fo bi mu say ye sabio ye nmunyansa se no munyina dabi masa makansa asemu has several times say on any day I disagree with presenters ye nimu kroma say ye local clubs no ye support woman no I disagree on any day because ye nyan do that level because the way I would take things no it will be different from a listener be an aso be a no ye a staunch supporter. There's
some element of ambiguity be abem. Ambiguity. On say now what I say. You disagree. Say present be obey so or support your local clubs.
Me dear na me say yes.
We are there be in other words now quite say be a presenter where you when say club we na support.
I say locally.
Club we na support.
Set team we na me.
But say you support your local clubs na say yeah, what's your local clubs?
That be okay. If you are in the name say me, no support.
Maybe I'm supporting club
A and another club B.
Totally
yes, because we have been paid to work here. You understand me? And we are supposed to be neutral.
Of course.
And it's a microphone that's simple. And ye better ye be who be say I got to acquire player sign be and because I'm not promise here by me who say a bimu who say na a penalty and the bisu say ade na ye penalty but because we affiliated to
Enra say your program na come ye no Rashida ko
okay
because Enra ono wako baka the caption no the ma Facebook live no now what they say editorial point of view I say the view of the production which for me I shared a different opinion.
What was it?
I think someone can say to me, yeah, but the last comment was referees, say Ghana referees, as a more or less, as we are not happy about the referee decision and they should back up. You say we back
on that page in so.
Yes, the Facebook live. But now I had a different opinion, and it wasn't an editorial point of view. But maybe Nam say that was the talk of town. It didn't share that issue because Obia was no opinion. And we are kind of time with that number of fear say. Every opinion is welcome. If we are what's now they say, one you will be arguing one fan come with the one. A quite is no nipa. And in as much as say I share a different opinion, doesn't mean say I was say a man for Tommy line, there be Obia one opinion. Because and on the can had that penalty incident. Me share my opinion. Obiso a different opinion. We are good to go. The American say, yes, Obia were issues. Referees, they say no more issues with Kromache. Kwakumeka for the corner house. Let me say, Bono crowd ball, Kodoko defender about Kwachi. Emma penalty by Yina Yeshebi. Kodoko Sony house game B. Kofi Aristo Adamfi, Abdulaziz Nuruddin, and Bella Dier, Fabio Gama. Postman, Fabio Gama because we soon again. And these are some of the references. It's all good for the game. But Kakra Bekan say the pros and the cons and just your football na kakra. I mean, it's not up to perfection. The Western world, or my Asian born from one, a new perfection. Everybody agrees that. But see it be pejamu kakra. You better enjoy football anymore. And what come in
okay. Me dasi tizo go do us on me ya join there. But me be ya ejuma kakra bi. Philip me say mentias say obi be yi nanim say me ya ejuma ma sa timwe. Now at the same time, so like me ya ejuma and I'm supported this particular club.
Okay.
But meanwhile, was as we when it comes to the profession, as we are sitting here, and I say, you're TA or your sports presenter, you understand me? On any day, you ain't me a Juma Bako. But you know, make what I say. Prince said, make what I say. I didn't know my several times. Say,
Mr. Before you do na, my send to ABCC on the show, mamma, NCCPR Kotoko, Oseusu. As anybody ABCC and team patch or Daruma, me push me go before you doom tea.
Okay.
Oseusu as anybody ABCC and tea. For the consumption of our viewers and also our listeners. I'm say crop you for be interested. Me hear that more so crank because some battery no echo offer.
Okay. I say okay. Me basso but okay.
Immediate release.
Immediate release. Me but me basso near become awesome. But quick one. Yes, sir. Rashid, but also be call Facebook, WhatsApp, and all that. Me was it?
I got me the Rashid account.
Now they push mano. Another Johnny. We are still in this discussion as to reason tia. Yes, stadium. Your stadium, Cassidy Stadium, Kotwa bi Ghana. Na nema supporters in Kopak. Minim se monia trasas issues in this one. For Monday, your stadium Kotwa. Now no yasimpe ni fone kwatnas as to why supporters
Enkopak.
It makes the gate feel low, but still
Enkopak.
And on kwatnas the mom is our story no na obeka guma so na bia na say omokoye asetna no mo hu say people are not watching our matches because they've realized that there are certain stadiums in Ghana are AGYENKWA and Kofo come out to Myanmar. And I walk, see, and I'm saying, hey, guys, Asamoah Gyan, chairman, as I'm not saying.
Well, father, meeting a consul, Ghana Football Association for paying for no.
Okay.
I'm not going to say, Kwanya, on Betma Faswa, your football no. You bet my fan into my etimefra. Na idea so close to meeting, I say no.
AGYENKWA FM,
you bet I about Kwana a year pa. And it's a stadium, Nansen supporters in Enkono. Omu bepa Puma Sibre, Amania met my kama. But the Kokoba and say, Omuni say, yen stadium like a Sena Ghana and Seno. And no account be, and I'm a supporters no. And Costa bet Okonki to Nudia, and you'll be Kona Honum Aboma, say J. For example, which is Okosa Matesa, Ombugima, whom they are supporters no, as if I kona, and no Ebwama, and you might come bet Oko be Sabara Sports Stadium, Accra Sports Stadium. I just say now, and it's a Nippon can more Echo Samates Sports Stadium. Cabon say a one aboma, but once or more Barbara Sports Stadium, that's a my kitty. meanwhile so no na te supporters echo party say ga omo ko sama tese ake be hu omo no to omo ni say stadiums akese no kan wo bi ana ema niema enso enko ma se ye hu say supporters enko stadium nti eno so etodwa no omo tana so omo discuss here
so now meeting no ase bi
na metete ho
because Asamoah Gyan and Thomasum Dear makers and Thomasum say you can never compare baby any gold stars
dance park
to Babayara. Is it even standard? Standard picture and stadium
and credible top flight football. I don't think say club licensing board no yes say or move face all the regulations and the requirements. And I catch you akwaku. See you go strictly by the club licensing board. Maybe a venue bet me a host Premier League clubs maybe a class sports and might be a commercial sports stadium. Maybe a link to some extent. Yes. But Empanyufon are good remember. Kwakuna even on patronage you know some can overbear one. Ah, when I saw producer I didn't know. Ako poke o said this is the news and for what discuss here. Kwaku, I don't think say seven previous sound. Panini bia wonim football bet transfer kasasem we da. I don't think so. Say yes stadium no e besusu. Enti na supporters nimba e bisusa. Na their capacity ni work for money there. Amanfo ko. Kwaku we are talking about 10-15 years ago. Na Kumasi Sports Stadium even Kotoko. Ball Gianna Stars, Nasa Anyama crowd today. Say be has a you could clearly see, sir, if we are not charging. Support now apart from what has. So we go to many be a Gianna Stars as go to ball. No man hit more than 2 billion. Yeah. So what is happening now? What the Obuasi Sports Stadium is a little over 15,000. And Tiazum is what the house go air Obuasi Ayama. What was supposed to say Kumasi more. Because any house go to born a say man. It means that Kumasi Sports Stadium, no, it will be more than the 15,000. La Linkle Sports Stadium. It will let's assume say, Kodoko go home to Abia Kim Faisa. And they go home to Kim Faisa Koko and to the young say, go home to Kim Faisa supporters, nearly the game no. Now supporters no feel say your Premier League in the Koyan Tiango. We can get half of the Kumasi Sports Stadium to watch Kodoko and Kim Faisa. We can get half of the total capacity of Kumasi Sports Stadium to watch Kodoko and Kim Faisa. Ebiasida. Where from these flimsy excuses? Say, stadium ebisusa. But Koku now we are witnessing almost a zero stadium during match days. And I said, a match days, yes.
Zero.
Almost zero. Na Kim Faisa to me, 1,500. Ebu okra zero. Ebu okra, on be balance books, no. On made it gross, on made it na equal.
No, Sadeka.
Ebu okra the casa by Chalaji. Alaja Sabo Kasuso. Tibosum Basuna, place in salary, and corner place in Yabreno. Alaji Quatris can if you know what Yaba because supporters instead of Muko. First, now Crobia supporters in her gaming Kakram, you see a crowd yet. Because I said you're coming to me.
Yes, someone's and so for more chrome one and more use 2 hours. But the 1 hour 30 minutes, a Ronaldo ni Messi. I'm saying, yeah, if we more content, no more presenters in ya, in fact. So you are now blaming the media houses. Say, yeah, na ye mamu, in fact. I think you have a program now. Yeah. The youth.
They don't even have a local.
In fact,
even complain. They don't even have that local.
They even craft from Chrome Sanfa.
Minuti fia. Ebu production Eden pa.
Yeah.
Ube free penny be say be up on the casa. Maybe an issue when I shall see popping up in the media space. Open clarification and answer confirmation. What the yes, I the only banking story ne keke kura no. What's the main casa?
We are why now menene kase.
Wana menene kase.
But your friend
Kai Besanka you programs you didn't come about these issues are trending on the media space.
Facing bang.
AGYENKWA FM at Tenka Media Village. Okay, okay, it do after me. Over friend switch off. No, do me the phone. Obo so catch up point blank. Say there be me nka ho asem. Na de ba kwa na ya ne say me nka ho asem no. You will hear the person the next 30 minutes. So I with different station. But how do we say radio be with the listeners? I think at times they are not imagining encore. But when I get to the internet, now say even me Barcelona player beer sika watching weekly register is there a glaring. Me tam pen be my track. Minti me fresh John Laporta ni nkomo. Minti me fresh Javi any nkomo. But Oko Barcelona official page, every story be trending from now to say Omoma de beer. Take it ayaton supporters on Baba Stadium ni nyano update ni wo ho. And I don't have any problem talking about Barcelona because I will get the necessary information about them. But yani I take Ghana hano. Always you are blaming the media say you promote your football. Your friend you don't want to talk. Over friend pejibio Asamoah Gyan nka ho asam asam kro na KWAKU the next minute na all cancer for oh baby ye hu krom ha stations and say I mean teams ni bo ha even Sundays exclusive interviews on other stations Sundays amount for kwa sorry no what station no ye interview as exclusive ye hu flyers and promote. I don't have issues with you giving your information to your trustee KWAKU wuti me no ye adwuma kakra. And they say, me be a house of folk PR. Open information. Me assure say that them grab it from match. I will give it to you. I don't have any problem with that. Say you have a trustee of who say this person give the information, manner. A queen before so fruit na or communicate to the listeners. No, ye nya diverse. If you say enquire misrepresentation, never go for issue. I don't have any problem. But the American say, you can say media is not one FM station. Empty. So also communicate to supporters. You should know, say, in media, there may be the heterogeneity of the listeners. Ebi wo Kumasi, ebi wo Bekwai, ebi wo Seshi, Sebi, ebi wo Mampong, ebi wo Boase, obi wo station wuti. Enti, ayana omonso ahwehoni ye. They cannot blame the media all the time. So we are always talking about the foreign content. We are talking about the foreign content because even KWAKU Ghana, youth, like you say football, the target is the youth. Ghana hire you to know. Who is someone performing football in the local? Come other betting companies. Over foreign betting, no?
Yeah.
How many brabeno?
Yeah, yenyan to cars beside. When you sit in commercial cars, and who say you are far, you watch it, and that's why we don't want to accept. Okay. Your problem, KWAKU. We don't want to accept. Say, on some American, and now. The legend, Kwabena Yabua, I could make a similar comment. I was swag awards na say. Was it as you drew baby? Ya folk yan ya tenase. And now omo from na ni ehu ya say oh there are no football nations no. Omo progressive ba. And they say we to more now so asan ya ho. So we can go to AFCON and we see a Comoros side humiliating Ghana. Ghana Blasters. Niger humiliating ye. Now Comoros was saying, now Madagascar, Ghana, just like that. Because for the past 41 years, KWAKU, Menya was saying, yet if you are AFCON, the last time I did AFCON, 41 years. When was the last time your clubs were more Ghana or more dominating Africa? Over 20 years. And a house of folk over 20 years. Champion Filippo, and then we were issues to address now.
Somebody be having.
I had to also.
Somebody be having. Somebody be having because I remember what we did here. One we have about CASSIDY, but the can say your local game, no, you know, your penny. Sanity. Say your bonus, your intimate house and once some. Yanka Diana Stars, Yanka Samates, Yanka Bibi go stars on one summer. Your Juman Sabio, a very useless, a very meaningless.
Nyambotrena, Modia Munti, the Mebecca. Munti, also for my course of Diga Crow. I was in secondary school near Metesarino. I was the chappie.
Oh, I see.
Catholic president and those.
Yeah,
Cassu.
Yeah, Cassu president.
And Obi on him. In fact, Mr. Craig and Philip, Mr. Craig,
Seminary and
seminary. Me so for no tiano go. Odi adaba saba mo bi books bi match na books o match. Pastor Cassidy na edem. But nya ho asem na ye beka.
No kre.
Almost in Yamia Ghana, and it's very true.
In terms of talent.
Talent in Bibia.
Okay.
Your football no go.
Egu.
Your football no egu.
Okay. Maybe I will be doing that but the moon is out of
me dear.
Okay.
Okay, you will grow and you will a tough. But me I'm a tea dear.
Who is egu?
Me I'm a tea dear. Ya famu obi a wetie me ana wetie wa follow some of us. We have done everything I want nipa famu say you be promote your product no.
Yeah, your local content.
Good. Me be kan some use media ni ye. And then bands me kan say me be kan won mo some kan me say e less than 2 years. Mama ya less than 2 years. Media no, people will start attacking us. Do you know why? They just ended Sports Writers Association of Ghana. Kanina a kwayan kofo nyan radio for timi kasa no. Ayo true ye baby phone lines atum. No bi aka say dia Philip kan ye dia asumezi kan menene nya adwene. That was the only medium Manango for issue. And I text messages in the back. And when to me, Crano McTell said, you walk on, I wouldn't try. I feel in the form of text messages. Yeah. But things have changed. We have developed. Through the social media, in terms of Facebooking, presenters, that's so. Even the president cried that social media show. Those who are even in charge of the country, almost crowd that should be, almost for that so. Just a net, you find no main CB, and even your programs are your crowd radio, so and they're live on Facebook. So support a bit me attack it with just in the simplest way, no attack you. And na feria na kakane, wama presenters ne media personals no, and they know be. Is it not there again? But still na kakra because your uncle for bimwa besi no mubuam ho pa in the industry omubuam ho pa but omu kura no their traps are egusu eyiye ba meka besi asem so kwabena ye bo akasai ye mu bi chate say ye follow kwabena ye bo awo GTV no me young cranketing. We never dreamed to say, you baby train radio sukra kasa mo bi te ka mo tie yen. Kwabena bu akasa no. Ne samo kan nyina as a legend. I was Sports Writers, I was political party as you. I was Sports Writers Association of Ghana. Yeah, but your sports personalities are baso no kasai. Inka those days ka kwabena kasa wi a kenwa no the dean no be a bonesem a president akasa the legendary kwabena yeboa mama nkan ni sem kakra na for myself follow some of the comments that came. It doesn't mean that or said your kind will be an ebona baso, but also numerous comments by ye because of the speech you come making here. Almost about 80% are attacking him. Wow. Almost attacking him. It means the information say people are getting information. But let me come out and say. Now, President of the Sports Writers Association of Ghana, Kwabena Yeboah, has expressed his frustrations with how Ghana has fallen. Just a Dafum team down the pecking order when it comes to football on the African continent. That was the caption down. Let me go because Kwabena Yeboah Kasadia. Maminya time. In fact, I screenshotted it. Now my share me say me timinim kofa be share. Now the country has struggled to make an impact on the continent and then on the globe. The various national teams have failed on the various international competitions they competed. Sorry. Now speaking at the 47th SWAG Awards night at Accra International Conference Center, he said it has been decades. It's been decades since he saw any club in Ghana or the national team win a major international trophy. Decades. Now, it's been 41 years since Ghana won the AFCON. 41 years. So it is 4 decades. It's been 40 years since Asante Kotoko ruled Africa.
Both Confederation Champions.
Yes. And then 23 years since the glorious House of Folk dominated the continent. That is 2000. We are in 2023. It's not 23 years. He has pressed. Now the experienced sports journalists opine that Ghana can only catch up with the rest of the continent and then hopefully overtake if the leaders in football are odious in their attempt to revive Ghana's lost glory. So we have lost a glory. Now the rest of Africa has taken over as we now play catch up. We need to work smart and then invest. Now speaking at the 47th SWAG Awards night at Accra International Conference, he said it's been okay. We're in America now. Enti wakakaya no say Kotoko winning last league title no. Now 40 years ago.
Yes, 40 years.
Ghana, your national team, really Africa, now 41 years ago.
Yes.
The last time your boka your supporters for Jamobush of Weberbo, you near Degina, your club football. House of Folk winning the last trophy was 23 years ago. That's the 64 Battalion
23.
To President Akasewie. And Uncle first started here. These guys are destroying our football. All they care about is money and how they will squander it to the detrimental of football development. Look at the recent World Cup and some of the players selected and those dropped as a result of someone's selfish interest in making money out of his players. Then another message, you people are part of it, promoting foreign sports 24/7. And then Obusa also attacked president again, say you are also part of the mess, stomach football people. If Kofi Koji is the best striker in our league, then Ghana is no longer a football nation. Tell them the truth. We appreciate you much. Ghana football came to an end in Brazil FIFA World Cup. Most of us lost interest in Ghana football because the one who would tell them the truth is not like you. Our sister countries have taken us in football because we are so much interested in corruption. GFA must be dissolved so that Ghana's money will be solved. The GFA should stop them for playing 1 year and renovate all the stadiums in Ghana before they start.
1 year.
No.
But the TN say somebody can have time with that number. Say your football idea above. No matter how you say it, your football above form.
And
your national teams to our local clubs above form. And Kwabena Yeboah is spot on because the last time Asante Kotoko won an African title was in 1983. Ghana Black Stars AFCON 1982. And a House of Folk. I think that Omokado Confederation Cup in 2004-2005. But the year of dominating power was in 2000. And that was the CAF Champions League. That 64 battalion, and it was being led by Captain Jacob Nete. And the KWAKU, who has some now Kwabena Canning and is spot on. But what's your comment in Libya? Any minimum KWAKU, the mentality of
AGYENKWA
or the mentality of us. Yeah, Jenny, dear football KWAKU is different. It's our mentality.
I came in idea football.
Kwaku, I don't idea football. They say. I was here when they say football. No, we develop football from the grassroots. And for instance, now every year be na FIFA abraiska. Sikana FIFA di abraye no. And then I was here the I was say you did call the grassroots. You did develop pitches. You did see hostels. Edema, a national teams. Because they say a bunch says a Ghana Black Stars crowd air camp or Ghana ahead of any qualifier. We did whether being World Cup qualifier and I say AFCON qualifier. I was here for that hotel minimum crown per head be $150 a night. So these are some of the things I hear come once. Uko Morocco through FIFA fund no omode brom every year and I say omode brom no. Omotimesi hostels our national team no ateki as accommodation. So national team no camp ha no omoda. So what are we doing here in Ghana? Yes, Canaba. Yes, I don't know. I don't know this kind of cry. Now, obi personal interest binti. Now, and go for batches can be a D. Dia council where the be right football move on say, yo, maybe go back to zero. But some part of the world, even in Africa here, some of the African countries, Kwaku sika FIFA scanner ban and no more no. Like you marvel. This is what you are talking about. And the kind of mentality and penny for loot, create, loot and share. No? I don't know about here because you can't remember a bar, so we pay VAT with them. I also be like a crabby, a good account for the personal usage. But Ghana football now, and only the prime objective in FIFA, and this says, can I buy it? Koku, near Tuna Saram, Yanfa because Sammy Kosi hostel, and the national team na Kwaku can mean yabini. Meanwhile, can individual ya, and Ghana football. So that's the mentality now. And see a bit changing your junior idea football no ha. Sir create loot and share you be jai. Na say sikana if FIFA hoba, and na say sikana ya team yanka say generate internally no. Yamfa am focus your football, yamfa your football na Kwaku. See ya na be kona. Because your internal generated funds. And only the kind of sponsorship package that every league, no, every na create that fund, you know, say you do a local content of football. But it's kind of $1 million for media promotion, says kind of way. I was says kind of way. You will see says kind of parana. Or more to say for media promotion, says kind of way.
Let's see, me timu kakra na me tio wechiro. Womwa ebe patronize your product no. They have lost interest in even what you are even saying.
Very good. Yes, so it comes back to the mentality.
The supporters now nkambe convinced.
Yes.
Near what it trot room or tia. You know any time I did them I mean call me horse side on a man from on the pap or the American me shows me from on the pap high tension brand to befriend of boyima bant madesi Yamiad mobile sport boy top war. Boys need to pa condi pap or boyma our man from pulla so now Philip one ka wo kan kasofu puchi wa so dem ma isi awo de en say wo be puchi but wo puchi kura no
de wo ti wa so dem ko ni
interest bia wo mu
enti abere wo ko
like onto ni biem isi kopna ye bu aka asem wo ye no just go and look at comments about wo. People are calling him stomach journalist. How dare to talk to the legend Kwabena Yeboah to that extent? And the information you menyentia obi timi kotro ewo the social platforms say ni dini ni bibia was say you are part of our problems.
Kwaku once na me catch your back door say. And one Joseph pencil baby.
AGYENKWA FM ye beje mo nkwa.
Na santi tumpen ho asem kopose Joseph pencil. Kwaku wanga sa wo kan comment bia orebe ho. Obi kura say the criminals boy are all for my somebody no work up man for now nko afi odini birthday how dare you come and post him
AGYENKWA 101.9
Henry Asante Twum de no na comment say ba ye Joseph Pencil poster Henry Asante Twum post you anka bone be na nko ye sanko post you at least a Black Stars player because we tested the Black Stars neither on a birthday and look at the comments. So it comes back to your point. Say people have lost interest in our game. And I never go, it's so dangerous. And they say, kwaku ni akora kofum onye akora na eba and I promise ni say na nyoma no emodu enti wudu say bia kese na esi animo na say obeso no wudu ho wanso no first day second day wudu ho wanso no say twama kofi akora ni tiri ni kon na ye ne ya kwaku ye so say akora no ono obi di nkoma obi ntunefo so that is the point and nyoma na akoso Ghana football man da bia ye keti ayaka am ye kon tintiri na asore no. It's not about saying we are painting a different picture to the people. Debbie. Because one of the role of the journalists, checks and balances. We have to put people at the office on their toes. Anyone who hear more mine. I will see a team more which don't hear papa more mine. And only a day back when message was a neutral between our listeners and the people in office. So we are putting those in office on their toes to work. But okay, so if there's a problem, why are you always talking about the negative? The negatives are glaring. Says you go to the extent, say the normal fund, the normal supporter now or no, the only man say Kwaku, why you more over the weekend that was several kakra. Edinburgh Kumasi Sports Stadium Mukwano, Abraham Kodoko, any confession or losing interest. That's how dangerous we have gotten to.
Okay.
Because no Ukrainian can.
Okay.
Yeah, but I see your plenty picture, which is not a rare picture. And there's something else, near Batra, near the near Massageno, or and we have gotten to where we are now.
All right, we have gotten to where we are now, and they are the strongest clubs and our nations of mobile football, our Africa, Ghana and Cameroon. In Kofonti, yeah, you can Google and then do your research. Like I said. Ujina sorry dema wo kan radiasem no. Wankasa no wasoro no muju ni biem. So you can join us. That is the top 10 strongest league in Africa. We encourage breaking news. Stories are abandoning running here. This week will be a conversation. That is it. So watch. Oh, Tanzania team be found best player. Oh, na Zambia be found best player. Oh, na Angola be found best player. Oh, na South Africa Sebi was starting football na a year 1993. Ana meboa. Meboa. About Tunisia 94. So theirs was 1992.
Yeah.
We say ball machine gun money McFish money almost choose our World Cup Tadia war no. For them starting bia. But unless we share top 10 strongest calf logo na that way. And nkofo na almost year that research no almost na mo logo that ono. Into we yes appreciation. And to the attorney say presenters mu blemia and transmu. But yen ye kasaman confo so beba park no so no and no lose interest no ye mo payes on be so meti bi but o de mo yen quick one kakra na fe
so share top 10 strongest league in Africa now as if say omunyina so is catching Ghana.
Oh, in terms of
say bia
football league
saram percent because omutimi ba ha etim be fire camping edini free had say we say
for obi player doesn't mean so who is casting in terms of them in TRC
Cassidy senke ye wo sika wo ye kromu ha
Tanzania team bet ma be fa la wo player
I mismanagement of our resources Ghana wo sika
and na ma wo sika sam nya
Cassidy because David Abagna ye wo Algeria ye bo Chani ye say na no kokosan contract no ko Sudan
the soldier park ni nyina na adwina na Sudan no
ye say na wo kokosan out for you
AGYENKWA FM ye beje nkwa
David Abagna sika okwakoje no en de o say
Abagna coin no onya $200,000 for the club no I will beat one day sika
Cassidy kubeti scan so no because says sikawe entubeje sen ka crop ya sante kotokone has any ensu atreman any out e wo says sikawe ya te kasi dubeje umpet match say yentimi maintain David Abagna amane bo league okromia because I was say to maintain your stars no because na work say na Philip work say na ko stadium an hwan na kwakɔhye no it is a get maintain David Abagna wo ha na David Abagna wa ba na free eso so ejina ha na glass na wakum na ejina ha no ma Again, to say me question on him kwakwa glass na.
Say idea ye do no. Ye do so no. And yes ye maintain obo asem na ye kan wa. We are looking at a normal and they I could do that level.
And one thing
say we cannot hold certain players or more bra biabo. Oh Philip. Oh Bobra no say how much. You can't.
As I'm against the Canada Kama Club no bo Timmy Omoko Omni Ajguri nye Omakwe Interlies or the senior Piamaka 3.5 near TBC the Beacon Webiani. It's a man Tremerson never can send 200 Ghan ACD. The boot is also why it is Canada and Cassidy of a day. It's a bunny saying now when you be a question. It's me Cassidy who say ye Pierre for us on MYA because now Philip Wekasa and the part was said the question is Mr. Crasa by Crumia. Cassidy send that crop yes and took a bobo pan so better say promo no air question Cassidy a form and then the social media and also know how would be look at one a month for day a bit kind of some promo no and so across
Total Sports.
So I check a boy the coco said me now Chester Jum pa a Cassidy me to us I say blab it was hey and you mean pony and uncle we are in Kenya by 20 cra because 22 degrees distance now where empty or 20 Hana also say empty but VIP one no and then where Aboma and so more now so Christ are free. Cassidy more now so free. It mean when he said you penny for no said ye Obizika will be say Kofi Koji and a top striker pa ye didn't call Chan na Mizaka free was 9 goals now our fifth Konkoni say 6 goals we mun na ya bom ni obi no ko afko a Chan bi o obi no ko Chan bi but ya kokko Kofi Koji I was 1 at the Amalago cities 1 pill one as said ko na a penalty 1 and Kofi Koji as said Malagon City. But I didn't call time to uncle striker from Ghana. Cassidy, I didn't chase a bit to me anymore. The same penny for no. So man to me, I'm my illegal anti-manager Cassidy. Kwani Beko top 10 and a ban. Numbers that come per top 50 miles and Ghana Bishambia. Cassidy is all you better check the top 50.
Because we have 53
50 20 crabs will be 20 crabs but you can't
through release now for the
it also it's almost about 3
but now me person try something up ekakra so omo issue na say omo fans na so omo supporters need target say NCC leadership na say omo you toothless bulldogs
why
omo you bulldogs omo ne sen because no maybe possible match venues 8 ya wo mo and almost site because the house of folk almost site because RTU be another 2 games be 4 games almost feel say referee no omo ni almost issue na so referees no this season omo no money ni and we share somewhere in the paragraph you see say esco member be kura gina baby which I don't have any credible but according to a letter no mo dia ba ni che say esco member be kura gina baby kura ka say ko lusu a these are all allegations of oh yeah on my site I don't know maybe I'll be read it through
no me kind but not those I will let him
releasing but of course it calls for a concern Makacho said the stakeholders no more your football also be idea so yeah referee and then can referees as I think that one way or the like the other every club will be benefited from a referee mistake but the moment I didn't go so atwasono the level of your football come from any come best 10 leagues in Africa Ghana is excluded the strongest 10 strongest leagues in Africa Ghana is excluded so this calls for a concern in terms of issues pardon a referee and NCC in Diaba and there are things from Echineko the Jumriana eba osewusu dey send me Bushama Wentino I think from Echineko I know say Ebia or Masa BQ official complaint to the FA with their answer with the letter of the but some referees it's not about Kotoko alone. All the clubs and over referees performance, I mean in general, I think some PGM because when they Swagger was nearby Rastum Gamel Senobe, no Akwaji Award, best referee, and two to be a say we referee shown crime. So to me money here because Daniel I even say on bako walk up on a China any appointment
and they were appointment to Kwakudi
omo mistake but the tell say mistakes is inevitable where the human error But
Total Sports. Total Sports.
All right. Yeah.
Pure robbery.
Okay. Only Monji Prince Monji Mahome kakra. Ebesa swaba. Na me ntwa de aka na fa local nation eso ntwa so. Rashid kakra.
City. Now Filippo come about Kotoko fans, omo players, and management. I was saying Nana ya ponsa any chairman at the mark Kotoko Bubukuno. It's hard time I was say money players in the casa. Players about Krobia Kumasa Santa Kotoko right now. Omu bien who deserves some work Krobia Kumasa Santa Kotoko. Players about Krobia Kumasa Santa Kotoko right now. Omu bien who deserve say was a Krobia Kumasa Santa Kotoko JC. Sour game against Karela. A brand here for the sheriff. Intiniana, me do we all say. And so, referee no Jinango Pomano son Kayo, Ubrebi or Fabia. From the angle. I know what Jinano. In the sometimes, I mean, Blemum Bebre. Okay, the first era, one referee be a Tiakotoko. Or Babonte Becasa Bebiano or Jinano. Or Cornel Lance Maho, Ekobusa and say. Or no so the point of what happened and they say, what catch and say we into by the rules. So last man can say we fully responsibility no ebe o referee no dia. Into the AC against Man City against Manchester United. The same incident happened. Even they were having an assistant referee by IT, I have video assistant referee. But at the end of the match, at Manchester Derby, referee no, who said decision now take care no. It was an human error. And for video assistant referee. Intino, that incident I see against Karela. Meaning we said prior to the game, you have so many media personnel. No omoka said some match na like is a Karela beti marry ni. Now so, dear me do we young Edema Krobia players and they say, ya kwenya kesiye. I was a place a sacrifice of one Edema Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Nkayeka. The early 90s, about the late 2000s, yeka teams around Africa, and then the CMI you vote to Kotoko say, for the past 100 years, Kotoko is the best team in Africa. Na semi free wa. Papa yi, na mi hu se the missing cancer me fa.
But when you feel, who can send be? Na mintima some no so. With all due respect to you, the current squad of Asante Kotoko. I'm just Asamoah Gyan and nodding.
City.
Me patcho me bati me. So what kind of man? Obia in forms wondra. Any person a come once a man. You bet me a car. Say nra. A dear defender in here no. And more beer for not my referee no. But if you look at what the defender did, near Kamwas. But player were bought Asante Kotoko. Nayam Ponsa signing no. Dr. Kwame Chi, patron of Asante Kotoko. And then Penifo was Saint Memuni Asante Kotoko team no. Every for you to tell them that no player currently deserve. So was Kotoko Giseno. I'm saying listeners and Kotoko supporters.
See, I remember example.
The patcho, Asamoah Gyan.
Matthias Asamoah Gyan.
What you see?
You may retract so that.
Oh, sir.
Me see player bien who deserve even has a book. Player bien who are currently who deserve 2 teams in the see a kind of moment.
Two has.
Prior to the penalty. Oh, yeah, incident in I see on the field. Your technology now, you observe games, and you are from standard. But I said penalty ni buy no. Brand no, attacker no, defender no, and as a midfielder no ye error. And a penalty near day. A buy. But now you have 5 Kotoko players.
AGYENKWA FM. You bet
more around the incident.
AGYENKWA FM. You bet
the captain of the side. A brand fan Agada saying Kwana approach issue no, approach referee no. And I want to say referee for them any power. Internet supporters. It's me assistant game no. Internet say on the field, okay, Barcelona, their golden era. from the year 2007 to the year 2012, and Pep Guardiola dominated Europe, dominated La Liga. No, Barca team no were united. You will never be why in the dugout. You will never be in the dressing room. Into never be why and Germany siansa. Player no eluzubo. Emma the attacker not to on the line. Minu me and your baby who say on the line. Into na bofuna. Omoye football no cramp no bibia ni ase yenko ni yenko he by yenya kotoko players na omoye 5 me asa video ni yenya ka o join your Facebook ka o beti the make na say ase pro be na omo si aka edema
is it by performance or by their conduct their conduct yesterday
Sidi emre bi duru ye o he tiko and some top players Charles Taylor mo enya akwanya si akan edema Accra House of Oak. Dada don't watch mo enya akwanya isi akan edema Accra House of Oak. Ombe can't say they were playing with their souls and they were playing for passion. By the players no emane nya won say ene Agadas isi akan edema Krobia Asante Kotoko. Wenya akwanya captain edema Krobia Asante Kotoko. Say ene day so onya Madagascar team eba no so be man $5,000 per month. Obeja the captain si amban ho akọ Madagascar. And the sports writer was said journalism back in 1994. And he had the opportunity to be the SWAG president in the year 2015. Yambusa on the last time, the Blasters of Ghana, a trophy. Oko Kambaka say the era of Kosei Yantacha, the Blasters of Ghana, after the first before World Cup, and today. Omekacho said they had the opportunity to progress to the semi-finals in the 2010 World Cup, and so what? Into the city. My question is say the under 21 side won the gold medal in Egypt in the year 2009. But since our Nobel SWAG president, Sports Writers Association, Netanya, a dinner, a Jumaben on what Timia, and they aboard the development of Ghana football. Into the Obaba Bontain, na ebi blame supporters. Obaba Bontain, na ebi blame the media men. And he should not forget he's part and parcel of the media in Ghana. City, back to our books. Over Africa, what's the last time I catch you say? Uko PM Europa, Ghana, et say Italy. Uko PM Europa, Ghana, et say Germany. Uko PM Europa, Ghana, et say France. The last time the Blasters of Ghana, AFCON City, way back 1982. By rankings, in AFCON, Egypt ate 7 times, Cameroon ate 5 times, Ghana ate 4 times, Ivory Coast in Nigeria ate 3, Ivory Coast ate 2. The last time Ghana ate AFCON in the year 1982, no, na Omaya friend Egypt ate AFCON no in Premier so. The last time Ghana edged AFCON in the year 1982, not Cameroon edged AFCON. The last time the Blasters of Ghana edged the 4th African Cup of Nations, not Tima, your friend in Nigeria, no edged AFCON. And even Africos, the first 5 national teams in Africa, are Matimi edged AFCON by rankings. No mumu bienwa no edged AFCON, apart from Egypt and Emumienu, but not Ghana edged 4. Into Benya say 40 years, 41 years. The continent of Africa, it may be by not Ghana, dominated the continent Africa. It may be by not Accra House of Oak, and Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. They were dominating football in Africa. And it's Oko outside Africa, Nebubo, one of the best players to represent the continent, Ubenya the legendary Abedi Ayu Pele. Ubenya Tony Abuamo. Ubenya so many legendary players, into outsiders. So I players in Africa. Ghana is the first country no more consider more players. And today I see what has happened. And then unknown as a president of the SWAG, and then into the Biametna Namekasa. I'll always blame the Ministry of Sports and the GFA president. Keto Kreku to me has been the worst GFA president to ever reign Ghana football. A free 2001 ever till date. yenya mpemfo akasie ekuku dambebre a omote Ghana football na say obubeye bi from Ben Kofi
I think that obi to wabeka say mema okwan ma waka nsema I mean ehu kakra as a mean abia my men are made. I think some of your comments are too harsh. You understand me? You can use other words for the president. You can use other words for the president. But to be the most, the worst president ever, Ghana produced as far as the association is concerned. I can't say it's a me who for the work anymore. But
see the air rank and coffee, or the rank and to a woman. See the battle with me. Ghana football abafom. Ghana football abafom. I feel you're tough from as if say you need talent or Ghana.
But I'm starting to get a bresso.
I started
from 2014. Me cry them say World Cup na be say Ghana football.
But even most say World Cup na be Ghana for the football year.
Dabi
because World Cup was giving Ghanaian players.
When World Cup was not introduced in Ghana, near Mobi no. Near the junior league in one ameboa. And yes, ye World Cup, and your Kobe. And ya junior now call national issues. So.
But still only me worries.
If I tell me about your boy enough you who say now. And no man could you fee. And the best in the end to me any other solutions. But I am just saying that your worst view are to ye nothing. Don't say somebody's the worst. We can say, and go for you are the worst amongst them. Tell me, I'm not doing. I feel your pain. Do you know how painful, how I'm peeved when it comes to the attendance of our supporters? I am peeved. A whole lot.
Two reasons are.
But no, it didn't start from Ket administration, no.
Yes, say,
Yentim Fanny in a market.
In the farmer wine.
Yentim.
Dear Sine Temo. Who buy from the year 2019 till date? How many years now?
Ket by 2019.
2019. Oba no. City, the year 2021 AFCON at Cameroon. Ghana struggled to qualify in a group of Comoros.
It wasn't the first time.
Now, yes,
the black one next day, crazy.
Timbe, my bang.
Ghana versus Zimbabwe.
In African football.
No, Crano was winning.
In African football.
Yes.
See the young kind of crunch.
I am saying that now our problem now, in as much as say, Mama yenye clear to our listeners. A national ball football near pan, I say a club football near Kanwasa. We are now concerned that people are not attending our games. And I'm a boy.
No correct.
I didn't have a book. Ghana edin in a howdy neighbor. Send you crum here and not touch ya. Kuku my henny bonity. But the about the president. Nana to dinner able. The parliament can what I say. Until let's be young baby, I didn't issue no ever. Ket near the West president. He's never the West president.
No crowd home.
He's not the West president.
City, you must be. Reasons why Ghana football will be where we are right now for the next 20 years.
As it is saying.
Didn't America say? Un's American, what's Zimbabwe? In this continent.
Do you know that day how it took Ghanaians? That 2006.
City.
But Bashir Gambo more time.
City. Zimbabwe.
And
America say, Matilda, what can I see you? Comoros. Oh dear, but one player. I will say Akaima Comoros.
Macedonia say Germany.
Debbie, Mr. Comoros against Zimbabwe. Sa era na in the year 2006, Comoros. And as a Zimbabwe, I prevented you could see some 2-3 players be you can African football, no Musa Kanada Zimbabwe. By Comoros. Comoros about football, 5 years old.
Actually, they even came to Ghana to learn from us. President.
What's even Comoros? See the recent Chani, Madagascar, Niger. Ghana play in the FIFA World Cup. And after second match, no, the second. Not tip on my friend Uruguay, Etimiasa Ghana. Now your players and SR sympathizing with them. What kind of nation are we building?
Tell me 2 points.
Me say, football now, City. There is no way in football like Brazil against Argentina. I
know now, ASF football. No. Don't underrate any nation now. Don't try. Who is KFC? But then Sky become a shock to go chrome.
See the edit here.
Because things are being done as the way I was saying.
God bless you.
And then those countries that you are mentioning, Korea, Tanzania, we don't even go closer to them. Tanzania, African football, they are not part. So just putting the things in order. How to get our supporters back to the stadium. Okofia, Okofo car now taxi be with them no. Kabeti se driver na ka watching matches e wo Ghana. Anything dear. Now so when you be don't introduce yourself as Rashidi Akinya. Me Ejuma but also be as a normal Ghanaian. When was the last time you heard of this? Unti be da. Me nkai da okotena ba bia. Weekends into full. Be sure say no be so Rebecca.
See the unim say Filippo analysis now.
But your local tidbit
in 1 minute. Or can say FC Barcelona. You must be anywhere watch your phone. They are from communication director so person needing come on. You must be anywhere watch your phone after Madrid, Man City, Manchester United. But information here so the media and the supporters no.
That is why I am telling you that things are not done in the right way.
And who should be blamed?
I cannot do it.
Who should be blamed?
One more, what are the positions now? Or some more, yeah. Time. Look at it. I'm not going to go to Asamoah Gyan. Forget about Gyan.
No, man, say. We are reasons why the Ghana football
Ket cannot be singled out. So name supporters KWAKU. This is almost one issue. I have criteria. Me here. Me too confused Kumasi. So kotoko match a metesi ye bohu dewro kra ma sebio atoyema ntema na me wo na metibi wo it means sending be back some of the stations some more my na nkofo mfi western region merebo and the Ket said they are not doing it. Why say PRs no and those management and enye bi kotoko bo match 6 p.m. on Sunday on Monday. Some Monday. Do you know the Monday kotoko is playing against why Accra Lions
City.
So that game, so Kotoko management, it taking it serious. The way our supporters, but because a normal Lions you will league them, or we ahead of Kotoko.
City
in the table, on the table, and
has last season.
Also, my Jingibi.
City last season.
Monday.
City. You can't blame the media.
Have I said that the media?
The best player.
Have I said the media?
The best player for Carhouse book last season. Will you blame the media?
Rashid.
Best player last 2 seasons. Every single season.
Menka media some. Me say, Okbeka Ket some. I'm saying, Ket the enyi na nim so ne blast no. But ono so so ne nkofo akwatra say. Muso atum ni amodiano. Oh Monday, more match on Monday. Me Miami to my appoint me referees. My approval venue amount some monkobo. You get feed the Yemen me tell the edge. But only will be a stadium no. Mark Kasam budget 10,000 Ghana cedis per every supporter beba. But I make it was some book master. Now we better radio so KWAKU was say me Samu Mumba Stadium Monday. Is it Ket's responsibility to do that?
That's Kana a year for media projection. Or has a free rubber form. Says Kana. You be season asia. You see a chest kabia to.
O dem say o dem be kwachiri nti de mama nye.
Me person tell you be ase because
your problems callers na radio on bebem sisia. O ba but mama we more emra na no kakra. Yes sir Rashid yaso be she. Why? Small boy danger. Now ukuta moves about 12 who time abeka in 3 minutes. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Ubeka when you know. Well, almost about 16 papers in the go in them. And then, Ukrum stories in Yagumana. Yankwa.
Wo yɛmfa fi sɛm kakra ɛnso ɛntimi ɛntoa so mame hyɛ aseɛ ɛmfa mfiri CAF mpanyimfo aso mene woka sɛ ɛnkyɛ na kyɛ sɛ AFCON qualified games no ɛnso ɛba bɛhyɛ aseɛ a ɛnyɛ asɛm mene woka sɛ CAF mpanyimfo astate a ɔmo so ɛkɔ aprɔbɔ a ɛnyɛ asɛm ketewa mene woka sɛ ɔmo so tima brɛbrɛm ɛwɔ stadiums awodoɔ no ɛnso tima gyegye bi ɛnso tima tum bet woba Ghana adeɛ a CAF mpanyimfo so yɛnka ɛnso ɛma Ghanafoɔ ɛnte aseɛ sɛ sɛsiɛ no woba Ghana ha ɛyɛ stadium a ɛbɛtima host international matches no ɛnso KWAKU Sports Stadium enya sem ketoko mo de sansem nyina so no etimi edi ababetu dwa 54 eye African countries mo no ka say emu 24 ana me patro se de omo any stadium a omo so betima host international matches a ye de ewon sam edi etu dwa me no ka say ana me patro stadiums awodo no eno so esitie omo ko South Africa 8 stadia Sansuna Egypt so no 6 stadia ana Algeria eye 5 Morocco enso eye 5 Cameroon enso eye 4 Equatorial Guinea enso eye 3 Sansuna Nigeria enso eye 2 na fe eye Zambia enso eye 2 me patro reporter efikaf aso eba patches omo team enya stadium afọ mo nyina so no omo behwe se obetima abom na fe omo so team enya stadium amaniema enso team eye kam eno eye nsem efikaf aso eba na enwumre yede ho nsem no edi to the Ghana ha de eye KWAKU Sports Stadium ene betima host international matches a yede ehun nsem no edi to the Ghana Football Association enso confirm edi amaye such say de yemfa to say MTNF Cup no eye draw no round of 16 no eno so ebetima to dwa eye me patch ebenada eye 9 February 2023 ewo Ghana Football Association omo conference room sanso na wuram ewo emana so ya round of 32 draw no eno so ebetima to dwa on 8 February eno so me patch kwada 2023 2:30 p.m. ana saa game no eno so betima to jade wonsam no e de MTF uram e wo Ghana Football Association asio no ma ye font to just say omo Football Association no empayfo enso etime bai e be boy e manem enso time e kama omo bebe sra Ghana Football Association from payfo e ma chese enema enso time e kama na nwumre ye de wonsam no enso e de to dwa away from that room enso o me pacho matches a eno so betima to dwa e wo Ghana Premier League match the 16 ana me pacho betime abaso Great Olympics ana for Dreams Energy Airborne ewo Accra Sports Stadium Adari Adolatif ono ena be center referee Kumasi Asante Kotoko ana fe Accra game no mame found to just say Barbara Sports Stadium ana sa game no eno so etoja eye referee Alpha Baade also be center referee ashe amacha se enema enso etime akoye Bekum Chelsea ana fe Bechem United enso betima bo el Golden City Park Hassam Yakubu ono so be center referee na fe ono so etima she amaniama enso etime adidem Legon Cities ana fe Kinfesa enso betima bo Elwak Stadium Clement Kwame enso be center referee RTU ana fe Hasselfolk enso be bo Ali Mama Sports Stadium Jacob Asefua also be center referee ashe amacha se enema enso etima todwa Mediama ana fe Samates ewo Akon Park mame Francis Joseph Kofi also be center referee Go Stars ana fe Kara United enso ebetim ediabon ewo Dance Park George Mawuli Vamo also be center referee enso etima she amacha se enema enso etima didem Edwana Stars ana fe Inso Traman ewo Nanajiman Bedu Park na sa game no so betima todwa referee Foster and be center referee Tamale City ana fe Kotoku Royals enso ebetimi dia boy ni amaniama enso etim adidem ewo Ali Mama Sports Stadium Salom Yaw Bless so the be center referee enso etima hwe amache se eniama enso etima dem ede wonsam no ede MT for National Division 1 no matches enso ebetima todwa she a chese enya sam ketwa kwa na urewre ma yemfa todwa se say ana chese zone 1 no eno so si etie zone no yemfa todwa se fara Mati ene mami mo zone 2 no supreko mamo zone 2 no supreko Mati
that's it why na be stadium na me bo Monday why asade na ma na mponsa asade se Sunday Monday Nkwofoba Park ana se the association president
unfortunately management of the club the home club I say the home team no was said say when we ma supporters in the stadium because you can won a wojini na show butum enti wona say we hoduma anya ni na say we na wo bohum enti we na is to your advantage enti say one young de ye amani pa ma we na NSA 43 ma obetuma ko negative eno ya na ha adwen
wana mo akonya no FF na mo akonya say nyame boa Monday Accra Lions
ze kotoko anya anwure tuo when you say 6 p.m. say 2.
Okay, all right. Yeah, Philip, what's he saying?
Yeah, we the other Roman tentem so. Linda, Juma, your Pale Pharmacy. Na Linda Mami Ephraim. Linda Juma, Pale Pharmacy. Abrafo Kokobin branch. Off a Cropon to a Infancy Road ho. Na Linda Juma, Pale Pharmacy. Ne Mami, your friend or Mrs. Comfort your boy. Abi bring our friend Antiphony. Antiphony, if you know who ya doma. 11th of February and an year no a basso away ampento ben asante bequai miankasa mukrum asante bequai ampento e hona ye kese en e basso nti antiphone ye ne hona e basso eni kwa Nyankopon yemfa akonya we su na ye mabuta ni na ahyeden na Nyankopon ya meduru a ye nyina ba akoboa amalinda ne mama ye friend Mrs. Comfort ye bo bebe na friend antiphone ye no yetimi akora na chikwa na bibia nso etima ye kama na wakwe de mianka se machiba o nurse ye veni yima no ebunya wona ne wife poma ene omoba omo first born ye friend nana ama insura drowa nana ama insura drowa mianka se machiba eye yima wona poma ba aye fe no nana ama insura drowa ene nana ama insura drowa birthday eti nana ama insura drowa ene no nya 2 years enti ni papa ne maame see am for akonya we so nya we she drowa special happy birthday na Nyankopon hwa na onyini na o meye panyimpa na onya impact positive impact
okay
on the community ko me da se yam fancy na Friday nso nti padaro ma yesi sa na de na
eno ano Asikim
CASSIDY ene de Rashid ya wa de wa tuja ete Nyankopon bo Asikim Nyankopon bo Sunday
o March Monday na the press release we aba asese
na make no o March Nyankopon bo Monday na the press release we aba ene Nyankopon bo chance Saturday enti media press no one be discuss sa discuss no Monday anopa
instead of us say be promote too much this year mo say yes am can there so I wrong a good notice to your supporters, but it has come at the wrong time. And I'm Monday March New Year. When you must we are not the release now. Honest game, some of the idea about no so just open your logic.
Idea pass or Cassie Fanto because in Canina can be dedicated time in answer their man.
And that's of course now.
Time Yakupomboa as a kin or many Basaka Holy Stars or Mobono people sworn on my almost 5 Ghana in 10. And I better start don't say you break here into a resume training, Yakupo and the Ted Diana. You first class, almost so quarry, friend match, or many soccer for shoes, and it's almost a Mokakobono Konongo. To CASSIDY, a chair will be around. So,
the beautiful lines in our tomb, so bet me, I join here, say, why no say my supporters ever pack? Why drink Chimono? Why and say my supporters ever pack? You see, I know, clubs and blame the president of the Football Association. Sunday, league matches, or China, Nina Koso, Isaac Paint Enterprise at Aroma. Kope paint ni bito ebeboa pa they say the strongest clubs are and I say nations in Africa no so no oh my Ghana and ho they say almost presenters I will kroma supporters no o ma dwunyina fi ball no so nti ampa eye na yama ni nyina ba me pa so me ba nti betima join 0204 your time na so 905655 from Monday KWAKU ne Samadaroma and no be me din community Philip Monday KWAKU be hwe no mabina you won say there 0204905655 and then 020596248959. You can share your comments or your thoughts on this very discussion. Your time now okay
city ababona ye bono akoye say unmeri but
who's all of our bag now
Ghana football ya
then yamfa call away we see here the old crown how many see yamfa way hello
good evening thank you for
yes sir that's body na to us my
but what my family in Africa
all right
they look sports stadium no bad there fine we say one idea about who put the national team but me who say that you take it, because if you are not the team, and I said, Diana, go down a example, now, Hawaii. If I go home, you take it all. Yes, and you come out and I didn't take it, and you'll be at the future now. But if I know about the Gianni, fine. by the Nipano, Baby says I take it to go on the full gunner, national control of press and everything. Maybe got out just a better to. What I said, I mean, I went without more. Journalists now, Mopantis Lano Casa, and I put off for your good players near the Adeno. But now it's all sign. What I said, because we are now it's a similar now. Now I say, maybe I put off for the problem in the Indian battle. Would now move, Namu TV. Oh, that major, the way journalists are usually being an hour, you also soon. What I say, yeah, the Anipano, one kind of I mean, China now from Chelsea and now for every fat and another second.
That's it. It's the time on call. Yemfa last one. Yemfa. Okay. Yemfa last one. Uta yes, I am. Yemfa last one. Hello. All right.
Na kumacha santo kotoko yesi wona ya bonza